Unlocking the meaning of satisfaction aplenty. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the wonderful world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that might sound a bit poetic but is packed with positivity: satisfaction aplenty. We'll break down what it means, how to use it, and share examples to help you incorporate it into your daily conversations. So, let's get started. Satisfaction aplenty combines two key words, satisfaction and aplenty. Satisfaction refers to the feeling of contentment or pleasure derived from fulfilling a desire or need. Aplenty, on the other hand, is an adverb meaning in abundant supply or in large quantities. When put together, satisfaction aplenty signifies having more than enough satisfaction or a great abundance of contentment. It's a way to express that there is plenty of happiness, fulfillment, or joy to go around. This phrase can be used in various contexts to express a high level of satisfaction or abundance of good things. It's especially useful in positive, uplifting situations. Here are a few examples. In personal achievements, after years of hard work, I finally achieved my dream job. It's satisfaction aplenty in my life right now. In describing events, the festival was a success, with enjoyment and satisfaction aplenty for everyone who attended. In reviews or recommendations, this book offers insight and inspiration aplenty. If you're looking for motivation, you'll find satisfaction aplenty here. To fully grasp the use of satisfaction aplenty, try creating your own sentences or short paragraphs using the phrase. Consider scenarios in your life or hypothetical situations where this expression would perfectly convey the abundance of joy or satisfaction present. Practice with friends, in your writing, or even in your thoughts to become comfortable with its usage. Satisfaction aplenty is more than just a phrase. It's a vibrant expression of joy, fulfillment, and abundance. We hope this video has illuminated its meaning and inspired you to use it in your conversations or writings. Remember, language is a beautiful tool for expression, and phrases like these add color and depth to our communications. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening content. Until next time, keep finding satisfaction aplenty in your language learning journey.